If you're looking at verbal, so I think most of you would already know that verbal will have 40 minutes and you'll have 24 questions. Out of the 24 questions, 16 questions will be from reading comprehension and 8 questions will be from verbal ability. The 16 reading comprehension questions will have 4 sets of 4 questions each. So there will be 4 reading comprehension sets and there will be 8 verbal ability questions. The different kinds of sets that were asked, if you're looking at CAT 2023, the kind of questions that were asked regularly in each of the 3 slots, there was one set in philosophy. There was one set in informative, something like say rationality, those kind of things. There was one set in culture and there was one set in literature. Now, if you are looking to improve in these kind of sets, I would always recommend you to keep reading from a wide variety of sources. Every day, try to read at least 2 to 3 articles from different sources, the kind of sources that you can expect CAT to generate RCs from. For example, if you're just starting your CAT preparation, make it a habit every day during lunchtime or maybe before you sleep to read 2 articles from the Aeon essays or from the Guardian. Those should be good essays. They should not be any like masala essays or anything related to movies or sports or anything like that. Try to read essays which are either about philosophy or op-eds or lifestyle or culture, these kind of things. That I think will be a good start. If you're looking at the percentiles, if you are looking for 99.9 percentile, that is around 51 marks. So you need to attempt 17 questions and get all the 17 correct. This is for verbal ability and as of CAT 2023. If you're looking for 99 percentile, that is approximately 40 questions. So you should get around 14 questions correct. If you're looking for 95 percentile, that is around 29 marks. So approximately 10 questions correct. If you're looking for 90 percentile in verbal, that is around 23 marks, so around 8 questions correct. This is as far as VARC is concerned. The verbal ability part, you will have questions in para summary where you will be given a paragraph and you are asked to find out which of the 4 options gives the best summary. The options will be one line. So the summary of one entire paragraph has to be condensed into one line. Other than that, you will have para jumbles. So basically you are given 4 sentences. You are asked to arrange them in a coherent paragraph. You are also asked some para insertion. So basically you are given a paragraph and you have to insert one sentence into it. That was recently started in CAT 2023. So basically this is as far as verbal ability is concerned.